Welcome back my dear friends to Learn with Akash. Today I am here to show you a very simple method to divide any number. So in this section I am assuring you that 100% after seeing this video you would be easily to divide any numbers which is by divisible by one digit. Okay, so as I use this formula like a lot of time, you could have seen like for the next, like in my previous videos, like in statistics or statistics parts 3 and all, for finding the mean or the median, in that n by 2 will be there, right? Or that f1 minus f2 and the f1 minus f0 minus f2, in that formulas and all I used to divide them fastly, right? So you may think that I am prepared very well, so that thing, but I am going to show you the trick to do it very fast. So let's begin. So before getting into dividing these all large numbers, first let's understand the key concept of it, right? So in my previous video, I guess in the coordinate geometry part 3, I have explained a lot at the end of the session. I told you, right, to be a good at maths, what we need to do is we need to find the key concept of it. So let's find the key concept for this division method. Okay, so what the key concept is, for example, I'm taking 1, 2, 2 divided by 2. Okay, so here what is there? There's a 1 at the beginning itself. So what we're going to do, if there's anything divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, in the beginning if you're having a 1 over here, what we're going to do is we're going to make it like this. We're going to choose the 2. But in case there's 2, 2, 2 divided by 2. Okay, in case of this, here there's no 1, right? So we're going to divide it into separate groups like this. But here there's a 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it like this. So now what we're going to do, we're going to separate them, divide them separately in our mind. 2 divided by 12 is nothing but 6, right? And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 61 is our answer for here. Here 1, 1, 1. So 1 and 1 and 1. So our answer for here is 1 and 1. So I hope you have understand the concept over here. So now what we will do, we'll divide the rest of the bigger numbers. Okay, so we'll rub these all. So before getting into these two big numbers, first let's solve these two small numbers. Compared to this, it's small only, right? So first we'll solve this. So 7 divided by 10 is nothing but, we'll get it as 1, right? 1 sevens are 7, which is lesser than 10. But if you're going to 2, we'll get it as 14, which is like higher than 10. We need always the lesser than 10, not the higher than 10 or the perfect 10. So 1 is there. So the remaining 3 comes over here and forming as a 31 over there. So we'll use it at 4, where we'll get it as 28. So 28 minus 31 will get it as somewhere like, we'll get 3, right? So this will become 39 over here, and this is going to be 5, and this will get it as 42, and 42 is going to be 6. So our answer is going to be 1, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, right? So our answer is going to be 1, 4, 5. So here we'll move on to the next table, which is a 9 table. Okay, so first we'll get it as 5. 5 cannot be divided by 9, right? Because 5 is lesser than 9. So what we need to do, we need to group these both as a one pair. Okay, so 5, 6 table we can take, right? 6 into 9 is how much? 6 9s are, we'll get it as 54, right? So here 6 9s are. So 58 divided by 9 is nothing but 6. Okay, and the 6 will get it as 58. Okay, 58 minus 54. Yeah, right? 54 will get it as 4 as a reminder. So this 4 will go over here. And this 9 will become 49. So when we cancel this 49, we'll get it as 49 divided by 9 is nothing but the 5 table, which is 45. We have 45, right? So 9 divided by 49 divided by 9, we get it as 5, which is nothing but 45. So 45 minus 49 minus 45 will get it as 5. So I mean 4. So 3 will become 43 over here, and 9 divided by 43. So 9 divided by 43 is nothing but 4 table, which is gonna be 4 9s are, we'll get it as 36. So 43 minus 36 will get it as nothing but 7, right? So 7, the 70 is gonna be 7, and next one is gonna be our 7 table, which is 7 table will be, can this 70 divided by 9? So let's check, okay. 9 divided by 70 divided by 9 is nothing but, first here 70 is there, right? So 7 table, how much we will get it as 63, and in the 8 table it is going to be 72. So we are going to get the 7 table, which is 63, and we will get the 7 as the remaining. So here when we cancel, we will write over here 7 and a 72. So 72. So 72 divided by 9 is nothing but 8. So you will get an 8 over here. So we have a big mess over here, right? So let's rub them. So the answer for the first one is 1456. For the second one, we'll get it as 6, 5, 4, 7, 8. For the first 2 times, we will like make mistake and we will get stuck by the time. But for the after you solve, keep on solving using this method, you'll be like get a practice a lot. So you'll be like more usual to it. So okay, now we'll come over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 6. Okay, and over here 7, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 6 divided by 8. So let's go with this. So here we have these 2 large numbers, right? So let's solve this thing first in a fast way. So 6 divided by 12 is 2, and over here what happens is I'll get the remainder as 0. Now it's going to be 0, 3 divided by 6, right? I cannot make this join 4 also. If I need to join this 4, what I'm going to do, I will add a 0 at the top. Okay, so it's going to be a 0 over there. So it's going to be 0, and then 34 divided by 6 is nothing but 5, 6 are 30, and the 4 will come over here, and 6, 6 are 36, and 7, 6 are 42, and 7 over here, and yes, 6 divided by 36 divided by 6, it is nothing but 6, and 7 divided by 6 is nothing but 1, 6 are 6, and I'll get a 1 over here, and this is going to be 3. So 3 into 6 is 18. So our answer is going to be 205 7613 is our answer. Okay. So now we are going to do the next one in a very fast way. So 7 9s are 72, right? So 27 will be there. So 8, right? 8 into 8 2s are 16, 16, 3 2s are, we'll get it as 24. So 3 and we'll get the 3 and 35. So 24 and we'll get it as 32, and 4s are 32, right? So 3 33, and again a 3, again a 4, because 32 will get it as, and we'll get a 1 17, and we'll get it as 2 16, and a 1 and a 2 again. So our answer is going to be 934422 is our answer. Okay, so we did it much faster, right? If we use this division method in a very during exams and all, I am sure you might have made some mistakes in the division itself. I am sure that you would have done it more than 2 times to check whether your answers are correct, and you may get the different answer whenever we are dividing it, right? But this time what we are going to do, we did this, right? And again what we are going to do, we are going to just divide it, and let's check. That's much easier, right? So if you did it, follow the concept of it, it's gonna be easy. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt under this topic, or if you want me to explain more easier tricks on other topics, you're free to comment below, and I'll reply to your comments, or my next video will be about them. Thank you for watching.